Hey guys, how's everybody doing? It's Tony. I felt like I had to make this video because it's basically from my video last time when I said that I'm still bullish on basically crypto. It's essentially playing out to the T. I mean, I said that I'm basically still thinking that we are the bottom range of the crypto market, right? And I said that Bitcoin, my target for crypto is anywhere between 15 to like 15 and a half. We literally just hit that today, right? With that little drop to the bottom end. And I told you guys, there really is there is nothing else that can happen. I think this is the bottom of crypto, right? Of the crypto market. If this is not the bottom of the crypto market, right? And I'll tell you guys exactly why. So we are essentially at the bottom of the crypto market. If this is not the bottom of the crypto market, then I have a lot of, how'd you call this, whale friends who have a price target of under $10,000. I personally don't think that we're actually going there. I think that this is the bottom, is exactly this. If this is not the bottom, then we are more than definitely going to break this trend, and we are going to be looking at these live targets of anywhere where we were pre-COVID, right? So essentially this is, you had this huge drop from Bitcoin, but you broke this huge ass fucking trend. This is essentially looking like a perfect TA target. I actually longed everything right now. I literally just longed everything, and I'm gonna DCA right now, because if there is an actual bottom to crypto, it's gonna be this. If this is not the bottom, live targets are gonna be pre-COVID levels. You're gonna see Bitcoin probably under $10,000, right? That's why I'm DCAing right now. That's why I'm loading up on a bunch of like Forex longs, and that's why I just long the SPX and the NASDAQ, right? This is a perfect break of trend from back on November 2021, wherever the hell this downtrend started from a year ago, right? You broke this trend, came down, retest at the top of it, and now I think you're actually gonna moon to the upside. Again, I think personally we're at the bottom of crypto. If there is an actual bottom, it's now. It's literally this. If this actually breaks trend to the bottom end, the live targets are gonna be, like I told you guys before, you're gonna probably look at somewhere between under $10,000 in the next couple of months. And that just means that the market as a whole is gonna go to complete dog shit, right? So again, this is playing out exactly how I told you guys from a couple, like literally, like I think like a day or two ago. I told you guys I'm looking for a drop to 15,000, between 15K and like 15.5, which is exactly around the same range that we literally just hit. I told you guys I need this trend to actually get touched before I start longing the market. And today I'm actually going to be adding longs to my crypto position, and I will also be I added longs to everything. And if this actually breaks on the bottom of trend, things are going to get a lot worse. But as of right now, this is a perfect retest on the top of trend, and I think we do basically not a moonshot, but again, I still think we're going to hit peak crypto price July 2025, and I think this is the bottom of crypto. And if it's not, you're going to look at, you're going to have live shit. I literally almost got in a car crash. Okay, I'm gonna get the fuck out of here, and I'm not gonna record. I'll see you guys later. Bye.